Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing my 2024 product favorites, but in this video, we are going to do things differently. As most of you know, if you've been watching my videos on my channel for a while, is that I realized that I had just way too many products in 2024, and a lot of those products were products that I probably only used like once or twice. They weren't like my staples. So usually my staples are the products that I go to like every single wash day, and if I don't have them, I will go and buy them like several times over and over again just to make sure I have them. So instead of doing a very long list of what my favorite products are, I'm actually only giving you all my 2024 essentials that I absolutely cannot go without. So let's go ahead and hop into this video. First up, of course, we have to start with shampooing and conditioning, okay? I am cheating just a little bit with this one because I feel like both of these products actually are kind of like a combo. You kind of need to use them together. At least that's what I have learned from reading the labels on the packaging, and that is actually the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo as well as the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner. So that is number 4 and number 5. One thing that I noticed about using these products is that my hair just started to feel a little bit more stronger. So like the elasticity was still there, but my ability to detangle without my hair breaking so easily made an entire difference. And one thing about the Olaplex products that I have noticed is that they really help with like making sure that your hair actually looks shiny and kind of giving it that nice soft feel and texture. So I like these products when I'm wearing my hair curly, but I also really love these products when I am actually straightening my hair. I feel like it just adds like a nice like smooth coating on the hair, and the bonds in the hair strands just look and appear stronger, which kind of creates that natural shine that I started seeing in my hair when I use these products. So the Olaplex is good with me. Now, one thing I do want to say about the Olaplex products is that they can be expensive. So for me, hold on, let me scoot up and show you. I actually like to stick with the little kits. So this is a kit that I purchased kind of this fall, kind of going into Christmas time. They had this Olaplex kit and I was able to try the bonding oil, and I see like a lot of people using the bonding oil to take down their hairstyles, but also for when they're wearing their hair straight. What I will say is that the Olaplex conditioner is not my deep conditioner, okay? So I will shampoo my hair, go in with my Olaplex conditioner just to strengthen those bonds, but I also like to do some deep conditioning on top of that. And I kind of realized like towards the end of the year that my taste for deep conditioners were actually kind of changing a little bit, and my hair started responding differently to the previous deep conditioners that I was using. But honey, let me tell you, this might be one of the most slept on products, probably natural hairline in itself, but I find myself coming back to it like time and time again. I have absolutely really enjoyed using their Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. And when I tell you, this makes your hair feel super soft, and it makes detangling like super easy. Like it cuts my time in half. And one thing that I like about this product, and I believe it's because it has silk protein in it, as I am putting the deep conditioner on my hair just like soaks it up. Like I could feel my hair getting moisturized before I sit up under the dryer. And I will say with this product, there have been some times where I was having my little lazy wash days. I actually did not sit up under the dryer a few wash days with this product. There have been times where I just put it on my hair while I have my hair over the sink. I detangle. I feel that my hair is nice, soft, and moisturized, and I just go ahead and rinse it out. But for that extra added layer of moisture, especially in the wintertime, sit up under the dryer with this product, and your hair is going to have some moisture in it by the time you rinse the product out. Now, moving on to number 3. This is also a part of the same line, and I feel like it's really hard to do a 2024 favorites video without having some type of hair cream or hair moisturizer. But the one that I am going with is the Super Curl by Uncle Funky's Daughter, and this is their Miracle Moisture Cream, okay? I naturally have very, very dry hair, so for me, I need all of the moisture that I can get. My hair, if I am not tending to it properly, I could literally moisturize my hair on a Monday and by Tuesday it's thirsty. So when I pick out products, I'm always looking for whatever is going to really, really cleanse my hair and what is also going to replenish that moisture. And for me, this Super Curl is a really, really nice product. Now for me, this product does sometimes have a slight frizz to it, okay? Sometimes the hair can appear a little bit frizzy depending on how much or how less you use of this product. And it could be because this product just actually makes your hair super, super soft. So what I like to do is go in with, honestly, probably my top product for the past maybe 2 to 3 years, and that is the Dew Mousse Def. I do not know how many products I have used that are foam lotions or mousses. I always come back to this one. This one is an OG for me. This one honestly cannot be replaced. There have been times where I would use other mousses, and you all probably have seen this in videos, and I always go back to this one because you can use it for almost any single hairstyle. Wash and goes, twist outs, braid outs, flat twist hairstyles. I even use this to lay down my baby hair. So it's like also like an edge control. It's like anything that you want to do with your hair in regards to styling, this is the one I always go to. Now, you all know I kind of transitioned into a journey of stress-free hairstyles, lazy hairstyles, hairstyles for the work week that you don't have to refresh every single day. I mean, hairstyles where it's like you put your scarf on, bonnet on top in the morning, you take it off, you get dressed, shower, all of that stuff, and you out the door. We not doing no hair, okay? That's been the type of journey I kind of entered into in 2024. I just started to get a little bit of fatigue from doing my hair like all the time. And I'm not talking about wash days on the weekend. I'm talking about in the morning, having a failed twist out, having a failed braid out, trying to figure out what to do with my hair to kind of save the day. And that just led to a lot of stress. So what I started to do was really take a little bit of time on the weekend or on Friday evenings to style my hair for the upcoming week, and making sure that I did a style that I did not have to do anything to. And one of the products that I absolutely had to use for almost every single flat twist hairstyle, any type of hairstyle where I had to part my hair or I'm working on blowed out hair, is this good old school jam, okay? They even stepped it up on us a little bit. I feel like they changed their branding. Well, I know they changed their branding, but this product, my mom used to use this on my hair when I was a little child, okay? Back with that pink oil moisturizer. If you know, you know. But my mama used to love to use that and Blue Magic grease and that good old jam on our hair when we were kids. But this product right here really helps sleek the hair down. I even used it for these mini twists that I have. And the reason that I like to use jam is because it doesn't flake and it still has a little bit of movement to it. Like sometimes when you use gels or edge controls, your hair be so stiff and so dry, but not with that good old jam. This is one product that I will go looking at Target, Walmart, Sally's, all the stores, high and low for it, because it is a must-have in my protective and low maintenance hairstyling routine. So this even made it to the list because of the type of transitions I have been making when it comes to hairstyling in a way that is actually stress-free for people who do work 8 to 5, 9 to 5 jobs, and also any other activities that they want to do. Those are my 2024 essentials. These are products that I will for sure be using in 2025 unless something better comes out or unless my hair stops responding to them. But for most of these products, I've been using them actually longer than just 2024, even going back to 2023 when I first started dibbling and dabbling into new products and exploring. And for me in 2025, I will not be buying excessive products. I will be trying out new products for you all, but I will not be overdoing it, because once your hair finds something that it likes, it is really important for you to stick to a routine in order to maintain your hair. However, if I am gifted new products to try, of course, you will always get my authentic response and opinion about these products. And of course, remember that sometimes what may work for my hair may not work for your hair, because as human beings, our curl patterns are different, our porosity levels are different, the way our hair like to be styled is different, our densities are different. But of course, I will always give you all that honest feedback that you are looking for before you go spend your own coin on these products. As always, I really hope you all enjoyed the video and most importantly found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. See ya.